Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then welcome. Today we're gonna create this middle updo. It's kind of voluminous, but at the same time so effortless and heatless. I hope that you like it. So if you don't know how to make it, let's get started.
We'll begin by selecting our top section, like I'm showing here. With our fingers, we want to twist it in the back and pin it using 2 or 3 bobby pins. I used only 2. Then you want to hold it at the base and pull the hair to make this poof. Now we want to divide all hair left into 2 equal sections and make with these sections 2 ponytails at the same level like I'm showing. Now we want to grab one of these ponytail and grab another clear elastic and tie another elastic lower on this ponytail, and then we want to make an opening, loosen it a bit, and then we want to pull the hair to create these voluminous twists. Now we want to grab this ponytail and we want to bring it upwards, hiding the ends. We want to pin it at the base of the elastic like I'm showing here using 1 or 2 bobby pins. Like that. You want to pull it more to make it fuller and voluminous. At this point you can use more bobby pins if you need, and if your hair is heavier than mine. Then we want to grab our second ponytail and we will make the same things. So we will tie another elastic on the ponytail. Then we want to make an opening, bring the rest of the ponytail through this opening. You want to hold with one hand this ponytail, and with another one you want to pull the hair to make it full and voluminous like I'm showing, and pin it this time lower than first ponytail like I'm showing, and pin it at the base of the elastic again. You want to hide the ends and use some bobby pins and grips to fix our bun in place so it will stay all day long like that. You want to use some hairspray if you need, and you're basically done. Isn't it an amazing classy girl updo? I don't know how about you, but I just love it.
I know that you liked this video, and if you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Tell me please in comments down below what kind of videos you'd like me more to make for this channel, and thank you so much for watching my tutorial. This means a world to me. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye!